How to fix Instagram Reels too bright. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can fix if you have been getting too bright of Instagram Reels. So the very first thing you want to do is open up Instagram application and head over to the Reel section. Now over here, if you have been getting really bright Reels, then in that case, you need to go ahead and change a setting. If you have your HDR settings turned up, then that probably means that you have been getting very bright Instagram Reels. So once you tap on your profile icon at the bottom right, find the hamburger menu at the top right corner. Then all you have to do is scroll down until you find media. So here you have data uses and media. Tap on it and you have the media upload quality. In some cases, you can find the HDR settings. So if you're on an iOS device, you might find that. But if you don't see that, you can have another setting on your Android. So it is not app specific, so it might not be app specific. What you need to do is check for updates on your phone. Tap on the gear icon to open settings until you find software update. Then once you do that, you can check for software updates, tap on download and install, and you should be able to get the latest software for your device. That might fix the problem. But if that still doesn't fixes it, then in that case, there is another mode on your Samsung or any other Android device called the dim mode. So what happens is it will dim out your screen. You can adjust its intensity. So once you have done that, you should be good to go. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.